You are amazing. You're so beautiful. Oh, you are so smart. And you're such a great friend. And you're just the sweetest person in the world. I love you. How did all the things feel to you? Did you think I was talking about somebody else? You're watching me. You're watching me say those things to you. So I'm speaking to you. I'm saying those things to you. And I want you to receive those things. If you didn't receive them the first time, go back. Go back to the beginning and receive them from me. Because if you can't receive a compliment, how are you going to receive the big house or the fancy car or the amazing relationship that you're looking for? Receiving is like being able to allow it in. And you have to practice. We haven't practiced receiving. Notice in your life how much you've received. A roof over your head, the food in your refrigerator, the internet, access to people, your friends, your family. But where else are you not really receiving? Are you receiving the compliments that people give you? Are you receiving the food that you're eating? Do you sit down and eat your meal and say, thank you, I receive all the nutrients that this beautiful food is giving me? Are you receiving the healing qualities of the medicines or the supplements that you're taking? Or do you just pop them in and think they'll just take care of themselves? You can exponentiate your ability to heal yourself by receiving the medicines and actually adding your intent and making it more and more powerful. Your intent is absolutely the most powerful thing you have. The power of choice. Being able to receive compliments equals being able to receive all the things in your life. Being open and allowing those things. Have you stretched your receive elastic band? Stretch it a little bit more. Receive the sunlight. Receive all the beautiful things in your day. Allow for that magic to happen. One of the things I tell my clients and I give them homework is this really, really simple exercise. And it's called the smile meditation. And simply all I'm asking for you to do is to smile. I want you to sit down and just smile for as long as you can, but try a minute. Take 1 minute for yourself and smile. You know why? A smile is the most amazing healing technique ever. Because when you smile, instantaneously, you've now counteracted all the negative emotions and chemicals in your body. Literally, when you smile, because you can't think yes and no at the same time, and your body is your subconscious mind. So being able to engage your body, your physicality of your muscles in your mouth, and you smile, it automatically says to your brain chemistry, oh, wake up the dopamine, wake up the serotonin, have it engage in the physical experience. We're happy. Being able to smile and counteract all those negative things that are going on in your life that you want to control or you want to change or you think that it should be different. Just smile. Just take a couple minutes every day, whether you can sit down and take the time and breathe into that smile, or you're doing the dishes and you're smiling, or you're vacuuming and you're smiling. Because as soon as you engage the smile, you engage these really, really powerful chemicals in your brain, and you'll feel better. It's amazing how some of my clients have completely changed their day just by remembering to smile because they're creating this new chemistry in their body. And you'll get a little bit addicted to the dopamine and the serotonin, and you're like, oh, wow, I like the smiling thing. Try it. I look forward to seeing you smile. Have a great day.